Okay, students, in this class we are going to discuss some important short answer, very short answer questions of ionic equilibrium. Okay, ionic equilibrium questions. We are going to discuss the questions which are equally important for the CBSE board exams, intermediate public exams, ISC exams also. Okay. So the topic is common for all, okay, ISC or ICSC. So for them, it will be very much beneficial. These are model questions which will be covering how to present the given answer. People are not able to give the presentation. Okay. So that's why I have to make this video. Many people are knowing the answer, but they are not able to write the answers. Okay. So I am going to give you questions then, and I will give you the presentable answers where your scoring will be good. Sometimes even though you have the knowledge, you may not be able to get the marks because of the lack of presentation. Okay. So wait for questions, and by the time you will press the like button. Okay. Okay, these are the three questions I have selected which will cover the many concepts. Questions may not be same, but while explaining, I will explain such a way that related concepts you can understand, and these questions you can directly write if these questions with the presentable form. Okay, presentation is very, very important in the board exam. Okay, question is predict acidic, basic or neutral nature of the salt solution. Okay, so this question is related to the salt hydrolysis. There is a topic called as which topic? Salt hydrolysis. Okay, now let us take the KBR. Okay, first example, if I am taking KBR. Actually, KBr is a salt of KOH and HBr. KOH and HBr. Simply, I have taken metal and added OH. Then it will become as base. And I have taken negative ion, added H plus. Then it will become acid. Okay. So acid and base both are strong. Here, KOH is also strong base and HBr also strong acid. So if both are strong acid and strong base, the solution is going to be neutral. This type of explanation you should write. Okay. First what you will take, KBr is a salt of strong base KOH, strong acid HBr. Therefore, it is neutral. Okay. Now let us take the NH4NO3. Let us take what? NH4NO3. Now, as I told you, you will write this with OH minus. So, the base will be NH4OH and acid. For this, what you have to add? Hydrogen. This will be HNO3. So, it is a weak base. What is this? This is a weak base and it is a strong acid. What it is? Strong acid. So acid is strong, so the resultant solution will be acidic. Resultant solution will be acidic. Okay. Now if you check here, next NaNO2. NaNO2, this will corresponds to NaOH, which is a strong base. NaOH is a strong base. Okay. And NO2 is HNO2. So weak acid. So weak acid. So strong base and weak acid. So this resultant solution is going to be, the resultant solution is going to be what? Basic. Okay. So here it is neutral. Same way it is acidic. It is basic. Okay. Now let us see about the KF. HF is a weak acid and KOH is a strong base. Therefore, KF is a weak basic solution. NaCN, NaOH strong base and HCN is a weak acid. So this is also basic solution. And NaCl is very famous neutral. Okay. So these are the answers. Okay. KBr, KBr and NaCl are neutral. NH4NO3 acid, NaNO2, Kf and NaCN are basic solution. This is how you will explain present. Okay. So in most of the books, this much explanation is not given directly. They have written in short. So people are writing the same and losing the marks in the board exam. Okay. So presentation with reason must. Ionization constant of HF is 6.8. That means Ka. HF is a weak acid. So Ka is equal to 6.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Then ionization constant of conjugate base. Kb you have to find out. What you have to find out? Kb you have to find out. Okay. So for this very simple formula, Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. Okay. So Kb is equal to Kw by Ka. So Kw is already, you must know this, 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay. And acid Ka is given as 6.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 6.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. On simplifying this, you will get 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So Kb, that is dissociation constant or ionization constant of conjugate base, is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay. Now let us see the next answer. Which of the following are Lewis acids? Okay. So for Lewis acid, first of all, you should know the Lewis acid type. Even though this is not asked in the question, I will explain such a way that all related question you will be able to answer. Okay. So first of all cations. That is positive answer, Lewis acid. So this will be Lewis acid because it is a cation. This will be Lewis acid because it is also cation. Okay. So this is Lewis acid. This is Lewis acid. Okay. So with this explanation, you will be able to write, then you will get full marks. What you will write? H plus NH4 positive are H plus and NH4 positive are cations. Therefore, they are acid. Okay. And molecule with electron deficient. Molecule with electron deficient central atom. Molecule with electron deficient central atom will be acid. So here boron trifluoride. Boron have 3 electrons. 3 electrons shared by the fluorine. So total electrons are 6 only. That's why boron trifluoride also acid. Okay. And there should be pi bond. There should be pi bond. Okay. Our fourth will be empty d orbital also okay. Empty d orbital also okay. But there is no such examples here. In future, they may give this type of questions also. Okay. So answer to this question are only boron trifluoride, water, sorry, this is not answer, and NH4 positive and H plus. These are the 3 Lewis acids. With explanation, if you write, you will get full marks. Okay. I think all of you understood this type of answerings. So if I could have more time, then I could have explained all questions. But because of the less time and I could explain only few questions, I hope you will like this video and share it to all your friends who are preparing for IPE and MSET or IIT mains, advanced, CBSE, ICSE. It is helpful to all type of students. Okay. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the recent updates about the examination, and all chemistry, all levels will be taught to you on this YouTube channel. See you. Bye bye from Which Chem. Okay.